In this example, we want to multiply -3 minus 5i times 4 plus 6i. So we have I there, it means we're looking at the complex numbers here. So that means you got to know your facts about I, and we'll talk about that when we get to that. But we're just going to multiply this out just like we would with two binomials here. So we're going to do -3 times 4, -3 times 6i, and then -5i times 4, -5i times 6i. So -3 times 4 is -12. -3 times 6i is -18i. Then I have -5i times 4, which is going to be -20i. -5i times 6 is -30. And here is the key part of this. We do -5 times 6, which is -30. I times I gives us I squared. So we do have to rewrite that though. I squared is equal to -1. So I'm going to rewrite I squared with -1. So I'm going to have -12 minus 18i minus 20i minus 30 times -1, because I'm replacing I squared with -1. So really on the end here, I have -30 times -1, which is going to be plus 30. -12 minus 18i minus 20i plus 30. And you could easily go from this line to this line and even just do more of that mental, but just to show you the process that I'm replacing I squared with -1. And this is, since this is a minus 30 times I squared, it's going to be -30 times -1, which gives us a plus 30. So then I want to combine all of my like terms, and I have a -12 plus 30 here. So 30 minus 12 is going to be 18. And then I have a -18i minus 20i. Those are like terms. So since those are like terms, I'm going to do -18 minus 20, which is going to be -38i. And then we can just leave our answer like that. But the key here to this is knowing the relationship of I squared being -1, where I is just equal to I, but I squared is equal to -1. And that is probably the crucial step of this problem, being able to take that, and then that generates a lot of work from there. So the final solution here is 18 minus 38i.